Congratulations, you're under contract. Now that the agreement is signed, the next two important steps are the earnest money and the option fee deposits, and then scheduling your inspections. In most cases, Texas home purchase contracts include an option period. In Texas, the option period is your opportunity to evaluate the condition of the property and to negotiate repairs. For more information about the option period and how it affects your purchase process, please see additional videos posted on this channel. Depending on how many days are allotted for the option period in your specific purchase contract, the inspection's time window can be short. For that reason, we always recommend scheduling inspections as soon as possible. Please make sure that you know how many days you have to perform inspections and to negotiate repairs. This information is typically contained in paragraph 5B of the contract. If you don't already have a home inspector, most buyers ask for recommendations. Elena Garrett can provide a list of very experienced inspectors based on the location and the type of property. A standard home inspection without a termite inspection usually costs between $400 and $700, depending on the size of the home and the number of systems within the house that need to be tested. The general home inspection is not designed to have an in-depth testing of systems like plumbing, HVAC, or septic. It provides an overall evaluation of the property's condition, including structure, standard systems, and visible components. It is more a general performance and bird-eye view review than an under-the-microscope testing. The tested systems, for example, HVAC or stove, either perform as expected or not. If the system is not performing as expected, the deviations are noted in the report and provided to you to determine whether a more in-depth review of a specific system is needed. From there, additional inspections may be recommended. Non-standard systems such as water softener systems, solar panels, and other non-standard add-ons are typically not tested unless specifically added to testing in the discussion with the inspector. So how do you know what types of inspections besides the standard home inspection to order? There are three main ways this is determined. First, Elena may recommend specific inspections based on observations made during showings or from known property details, such as seller disclosures or visible concerns. Second, once the general home inspection report is completed, it often identifies areas that require further evaluation. Third, your loan type and your lender may require you to perform certain types of inspections and make the results to be available to the lender. Based on the defects discovered by the general home inspector, Elena or your lender may recommend bringing in additional specialists for a closer look. Depending on the situation, additional inspections may include septic, HVAC, plumbing, roofing, or electrical. One important note: if the property is a rural property that has a septic system, a septic inspection should always be scheduled as soon as the contract is signed. This is not something to delay. Additionally, on properties over 20 years old or those properties that have wood siding or wood flower beds, wood sheds, or wood patios, Elena always recommends performing the termite inspection in conjunction with the general home inspection. The termite inspection is typically performed by a different company and requires a separate fee, often between $100 and $180 depending on the location, size, and so on. If the property has a pool or a hot tub, do not assume that they will be a part of the general home inspection. Ask the inspector whether it will be included. Sometimes there is an extra charge for pool and hot tub testing. Some inspectors test a wider list of non-standard systems than others. If you are not sure whether some specific systems will or will not be tested during the home inspection, please make sure to ask the inspector before you select that inspector to be the one to visit the property. Once you select an inspector, Elena will coordinate scheduling, access to the property, and communication with the seller side. The standard home inspection itself typically takes between 2 and 4 hours, depending on the size of the home and any additional structures. Some buyers want to attend the entire inspection. The entire inspection is a lengthy process and many inspectors prefer for the buyers not to be present during testing. During the process of testing, the buyers walking around, tripping over or moving the inspector's tools, turning certain systems on and off, or opening and shutting certain faucets, etc. while the inspector is not watching can actually interfere with the inspector work. Additionally, the inspector is focused on taking photos and measurements, and side conversations could make him distracted and that could lead to errors in his records. However, the inspectors typically welcome you to attend the last hour of the inspection, once they have finished their tests. During the last hour of the inspection, they now have enough information to provide you with a detailed overview of the main findings. If you are unable to attend in person, this brief overview of the findings with the inspector while he is still at the house could be done via a phone call. Regardless of whether you are able to connect with the inspector during the inspection itself, a full written detailed report will be delivered to you shortly after, often the next day. This written report will be emailed to you and it will include detailed findings, photos, and recommendations. That report becomes the foundation for your next steps and any potential negotiations. A separate video showing a typical inspection report will be uploaded shortly and be available in the same playlist as this video. If you have questions about what types of home inspections you may need for a specific property, feel free to contact Elena Garrett with 7X Group at Keller Williams Central 75 in Dallas. Elena Garrett works in all main counties of the DFW area. As you can see, real estate is one of those businesses where details matter, sometimes a lot. That kind of strategic thinking is exactly what we focus on at 7X Group with Elena Garrett. Every client, every property, every detail, carefully analyzed so you can make the smartest move possible. And if we could ask for just a moment of your attention for something personal. In addition to her real estate work, Elena Garrett is also an animal foster care provider with the Dallas Animal Shelter, which means she takes in animals that are at immediate risk of euthanasia. Many of them come from very difficult situations and simply need time, care, and a chance to recover. Your real estate decisions are about your future, your finances, your family, and the life you're building. You deserve strategy, careful analysis, and someone who is fully invested in helping you make the smartest move possible. And if you choose to work with 7X Group, every successful home purchase and home sale also helps support the rescue work for Dallas area dogs that need a safe new start and a second chance. Call the number in the description below or visit elenagarrett.com. Thank you for viewing and we will see you at the next video.